What if I told you there's a star out there that's so gigantic it could swallow our entire solar system? Stick around, because that star is real and it's called Scuti. Comets swirl, planets dance, but a few thousand light-years from Earth, a red supergiant is doing a slow, glowing waltz in the constellation Scutum. Scuti isn't just big, it's a colossal beast. Its radius is about 1,700 times the radius of our Sunday. That means if you dropped Scuti right where the Sun sits, it would extend out past the orbit of Jupiter, and if we moved it to our solar spot, it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, zipping past Mars and even reaching the orbit of Saturn. No way, right? How do scientists know this? Astronomers use a mix of methods, measuring its brightness, calculating its with parallax, and then working out its size based on how much light it radiates, kind of like figuring out how big a glowing ember is just by how hot it feels from a distance. And today's best estimates, thanks to the Gaia Space Telescope, put its radius at about 1,700 times solar, nearly 1,700 Earth radii. But Scuti isn't just a mouth-watering name, it's a living laboratory. Red supergiants like it undergo powerful pulsations, shedding layers of their outer envelopes. That's how the sky gets enriched with heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, and eventually, when these stars go supernova, they scatter those ingredients across the cosmos, seeding future stars, planets, and even life. It's like a cosmic recycler that buys and sells the building blocks of all things. It may sound like a fairy tale star, but the physics holds. The star's enormous size comes from its core burning helium into heavier elements, while its outer layers puffed up by radiation pressure that pushes against gravity. The balance is delicate, and the star will likely burst in a spectacular supernova sometime in the next few million years, maybe sooner if its pulsations grow more violent. When that happens, astronomers will get species a front-row seat to watching a star die. Now, here's the kicker. Even though Scuti dominates its local Galaxian neighborhood, its light is faint from Earth's perspective. That's because it's so far away, around 3,900 light-years, adding up to a darkness that can be over 70,000 times fainter than the Sun for a daily glance. So, until we travel to it physically, we'll keep it as a humble neighbor on our star charts. Pretty mind-blowing, right? If you love discovering that a single star could dwarf our entire planetary family, hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share if you want more awesome space facts. See you on the next episode. Number Scuti, number space facts, number mind-blowing, number red supergiant, number astronomy, number black holes.